Hi guys. In today's Financial Express, there was an article it titled as "Do we need language to think?" That means whether the mankind needs a language to develop their thinking process or thought process. That is what the article has described it. Of course, science and the research in the initial years have said language has become the basic for thinking pattern or the process of this thought, the growth of mankind's thinking, knowledge, everything. Of course, in the recent study, a professor from Massachusetts Institute of Technology has done a 15 years research on this, and they found knowledge doesn't, I mean, language doesn't need for thinking. Of course, they have given an elaborate discussion on this because of the copyright violation. I don't talk about it. Maybe you can read it. But let me share my thought here. Just imagine it, our pet animal, like a dog. It doesn't have any language, as we all agree, because it's only barking. It produces some sound, and we have named it as a barking. See, it's able to describe the people, whoever comes in front of it. Like if the water comes there, it expresses a more love, it jumps it and produces some sound as if like it's so close. If some known person comes there, it won't bark and it expresses love, but it is not as much it showed to the owner. If stranger comes there, it will bark. It produces that some stranger is standing there. Assume it if a person with a bag, some glasses, looking like a thief, it becomes so ferocious. Like the sound, the aggression will be quite high. See, the dog is able to describe all sort of situation and express it. The expression of a dog varies it without language. So it means it doesn't have language, but it has got a thinking in which it stores this mind. This is a owner. This is a known person. This is a stranger. He is a thief. It is an animal. No, it describe everything and store it in mind without language. So let me also agree and understand language is not absolutely mandatory for the human beings thinking. It is only a supporting factor, or maybe to learn about further. But thinking is something, a kind of a feeling through which the knowledge and vision explores it. Thank you.